A fisherman in St. Thomas is celebrating what many are calling the catch of a lifetime. Take a look.
You sure I fish that? Yeah, man. We eat this. Lynch, we not eat a fish already, of course. My brother catch it and with body in a soup. It's soft and tender, not because it's big like that. On June fish.
Veteran fisherman Dwight Lynch hauled in a massive 263-pound grouper, also known as a June fish, during a fishing trip on Saturday. The enormous fish required the help of 4 divers and several hours of effort to secure.
We were there about 3 hours, then we called for the other diver after some time. Ocean, otherwise known as Bounty. So he was the last diver that came on site and helped finish the job. So it was a combination of the 4 of us. We're all divers. We have our separate profession. And we did what we do best, get the job done, stick to the game plan, teamwork, make the dream work.
Lynch, who has been fishing for more than 20 years, says it is the largest fish he has ever caught.
And this is my 5th one. Yeah, man, we kill them with 30, 32, 170, 195, 150. Yeah, man, and this one 260 now. It was a good day.
The massive catch quickly drew a crowd of curious residents eager to see the giant fish up close. For Lynch, it was simply an unforgettable day at sea. This weighed 263 pounds. Wow, congratulations on your catch. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock these special rewards you'll love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a Full Star or Full Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. A link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Godfrey Jones, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.